Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Force Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another screen protector for your Galaxy Z Fold 7. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the WSKEN, WSKEN, I don't know how you want to pronounce it. I actually use their screen protector on the S24 Ultra and the S25. And I really did like it because they make it pretty easy to install. So I decided to pick it up for the Z Fold 7. You can get this from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. In this video, we'll try to just install it, see how easy it is to install, and how much coverage you get with this screen protector. They have different variants online. I can link all of them on there. So that way, if you want to pick up one with privacy, you can definitely do that also. But let's get into it. Enough of me talking. I mean, pretty good packaging. It says pursue forever. Alright. How this bad boy opens. Oh, there's a whole book in here. What is going on? So welcome to the club. You get a squeegee. You get an installation pack, 2 of them. You get a thank you note. You get the instruction manual. Say clean the phone screen. Bam. All that on there. We can read that later. Then you get this little pad. I guess that's to put your phone down maybe. And then you have the built-in screen protectors. Here are at least one, then another one. So they give you different options, or they give me 3. Man, they got all kind of good stuff in here. Bam. So this is another piece of foam. Probably put your phone down on there. So this is the installation guide here. That's the installation guide, and then they give you like 4 other screen protectors, which is not bad. So let me pick up this and I'll pause the video and be right back. Okay, so I was able to clean it up. They actually give you like 4 different screen protectors and one little guide. So once you're done, you can put the other screen protectors on here and save it. But let's go ahead and turn off the phone. All right, so like you normally do, you want to turn off your phone. The pack has wipes in here. So you just take out one of your wipes. All right, so you get your wipe. You want to go ahead and wipe down the phone. Make sure it's clean. Then you take the microfiber cloth that's in there. Make sure it's dry. They give you a dust bunny remover, dust remover. Again, if you can do this at nighttime, somewhere where it's not dusty, just makes it a lot easier. You just want to go around it, get any dust things off of there. Then you take your first screen protector, you want to lay it down like this, hold it, kind of just pull this down slowly. And then what you want to do is press this down. It's going to go here to your screen. Don't worry about the bubbles there. They will come off. Then you just kind of take this off. And then guess what you do? You squeegee out the bubbles. And if you have any little bubbles, don't worry. That's why I say do it at nighttime. They will disappear within 24 hours. Like I have a few little bubbles here that, you know, might come off with some time. You know, but if I sat here and played with it, but I don't have to. So with what I noticed on any of the screen protectors, they all are not going to the end of your display. They are going around there, so that way you can have a case that fits on there well and not have a problem with it. But I mean, it looks like it's responsive. And it wasn't hard to install. A lot of these companies these days are making it so easy to install these screen protectors that anybody can do it. Look, if I can install a screen protector, anyone can do it. So, as you can tell, it goes pretty much where my finger is. So, that was not bad. If you want to pick up the screen protector, I will have the links in the description. You can definitely get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day.